pay whatever it takes, but we must have more swords for the Imperial soldiers.
You just can't throw an order. Ripe fruit and fresh vegetables for sale. From the fields and orchards of Whiterun to your table.
I spend a lot of time at the market stall so I can learn the merchant's trade.
We cannot afford to act rashly in times like... My lord. Please.
What's the meaning of this interruption? Jarl Balgrup is not well, that explains why the guards let you in. Come on. And who? The Jarl will want to speak to you personally.
So, you were at Hell? By Ysmir, Irileth was right. What do you say now, Proventus? Shall we continue to trust in the strength of our walls? Against the dragon?
My lord, we should send troops to Riverwood at once. It's in the most immediate danger. If that dragon is lurking in the mountains...
The Jarl of Falkreath will view that as a provocation. He'll assume we're preparing to join Ulfric's side and attack him. We should not...
Enough! I'll not stand idly by while a dragon burns my hold and slaughters my people. Irileth, send a detachment to Riverwood at once.
Yes, my Jarl.
If you'll excuse me, I'll return to my duties.
That would be best. Well done. You sought me out on your own initiative. You've done Whiterun a service, and I won't forget it. Here, take this as a small token of my esteem. There is another thing you could do for me. Suitable for someone of your particular talents, perhaps. Come, let's go find Farengar, my court wizard. He's been looking into a matter related to these dragons and rumors of dragons.
It takes a while to make a dress, Daddy. You have to be patient. But I don't want to be patient. I want it this right now. Father promised. All you ever do is complain about what you want. You're spoiled.
Come to Dragon... What? The Jarl can be found in the Great Hall, probably sitting on his Jarl's throne.
Farengar,
Not over
I
here
think I
in the
found
wizard's
someone who
laboratory.
can help you with your dragon project. Go ahead and fill him in with all the details.
So the Jarl thinks... Yes. Well, when I say fetch, I really mean delve into... Ah, you see, when... One sure mark, but I began to search. I, learned... Go to Bleak Falls Barrow, find this tablet, no doubt interred in the main chamber, and bring it to me. Simplicity itself. Oh, I thought you were already on your way to Bleak Falls Barrow. Ah, the Dragon Stone of Bleak Falls Barrow. That is where you...
Farengar. Farengar, you need to come at once. A dragon's been sighted nearby. You should come too.
A dragon? How exciting. Where was it seen? What was it doing?
I'd take this a bit more seriously if I were you. If a dragon decides to attack White, I don't know if we can stop it. Let's go.
So, Irileth tells me you came from the western... town?
Yes, my lord.
Tell him what you told me about the dragon.
Oh, that's right. We saw it coming from the south. It was fast. Faster than anything I've ever seen.
What did it do? Is it attacking the watchtower?
No, my lord. It was just circling overhead when I left. I never ran so fast in my life. I thought it would have come after me, for sure.
Good work, son. We'll take it from here. Head down to the barracks for some food and rest. You've earned it. Irileth, you'd better gather some guardsmen. Get down there.
I've already ordered my men to muster near the main gate.
Good. Don't fail me. There's no time. I want you to go with it. You survive. But I haven't forgotten and please, accept this gift from my personal armory.
I should come along. I would very much like to see this dragon.
No. I can't afford to risk both.
Once I've made enough... I met one of the caravan leaders. You do that? If you find one, I could teach you a thing or two about trading. Help you get a fair bargain in the future.
Mister, could you spare a coin?
For you, Rick! Please! For I love you!
Here's the situation. It's attacking the watchtower.
A dragon?
You heard... I said a dragon. I don't care where it came from or who sent it. What I do know is that it's made the mistake of attacking Whiterun.
How can we... Dragon?
That's a fair question. None of us have ever seen a dragon before, so expect to face them in battle. You are honored to fight, even if you fail. Our first family. Call yourself Nord, little rat, monster. Face this thing alone. No, but it's more than our honor at stake here. Think of it. The first dragon seen in Skyrim since the last age. The glory of killing it is ours, if you're with me.
We've got the finest weapons and armor. Good doing business with you.
No. Signs of any dragon right now. It sure looks like he's been here. I know it looks bad. But we've got to figure out what happened.
No, get back. It's still here somewhere. Crocky and Todd just got grabbed when they tried to make a run for it. Let's save us. Here he comes again. Let's make sure. That's overgrowth, but it's really dead. Damn good shooting, boys.
Welcome. Take a look. Mayor, how can I say? It is all in this. Take a look. Hope that you will come to do business with us again.
Look, you already have been told you're not allowed here.
Got some good pieces out here if you're looking to buy. More inside.
No trouble. All we ask is to look for her.
I don't care what you're doing after what...
I don't claim to be the best blacksmith in Whiterun. Yorland Greymane's got
We
that
will
one.
be back.
Man Steel
This is
is
not
legendary.
over.
All I ask is a fair chance. Have you met my father?
You there.
He's the steward.
We're
of
looking
the
for
Dragon's
a woman. She's likely... We are not welcome here at Whiterun. So we will be in Rorikstead if you learn anything. We will find her there.
What's the matter? You can't stand the sight of a strong Nord woman?
Brigands I can handle. This talk of dragons was gone mad.
By Izmir, you did it. You killed the dragon.
Good. You're finally here. The Jarl's been waiting for you.
So what happened at the watchtower? I knew I could count on Irileth. So it's true. Masters of the Way of the Voice. The Dragonborn is said to be unique. If you really are Dragonborn, you've done a great service for me. By my right as Jarl, I assign you. I'll also. We are honored. The Grey.
Didn't you hear the thundering sound as you returned to Whiterun? That was the voice of the Greybeards, summoning you to High Rock. This hasn't happened in centuries, at least. Not since Tibeseptid himself was summoned when he was still so that more.
Rangar, calm yourself. What does any of this Nord nonsense have to do with our friend here?
Come to Dragon's Reach to discuss the ongoing... I had you figured for a mage. I think you'll appreciate this. got the aptitude. You should join the Mages College in
nonsense.
Winterhold.
Why, you puffed up ignorant.
Father says I'm too young to train with the sword, so I practice.
The Jarl has appointed me to be your housecarl. Lead the way. Lead the way. Still here. I am sworn to carry your burdens. I am at your command. Let's get going then.
Old friend. Patron of the... and Battleborn. A name I'm sure you know well.
One of the new servants? Remember that I like my meat rare.
Back to business, Roberto. Still have a city to defend.
It seems this damnable... I don't know... They say the Greybeards can tell you much more. I don't know... They say the Greybeards can tell you much more than I can. So, you wish to master the arcane arts? Your mind is the best weapon you have.
Never been more ready.
There's been talk amongst the guards that you are dragon.
Damn those gray mains to oblivion. They want to back the storm close. They'll get what's coming to them.
But we can't afford it.
It took me weeks to find it.
Go call. See magic someplace else.
And I can't get the sword on my own.
So
You tried mercenary?
starved
My
your
Sapphire.
wife and
He
daughter
fed his
to
entire
defend some
family with the
rusty
gold
old
he made
sword?
using... I tracked it to... I don't know why I'm saying this, but if you find it out in your travels, I just need to hire one, maybe... two good men. You won't stop.
I just want to go. I'll put it. You're ready.
Or you can keep your wife if you set foot outside that gate.
And the week before that. Now go, before I call a guard.
No, no. Don't do that. No need to do that. I'm going, see?
There's a nip in the air. Cold won't be good for my crops. Never is.
Never been more ready. Never been more ready. more ready. Still here. You lead, I'll follow.
My sister... yeah, an ornament. I'm gonna put this back where it belongs. I'll never forget this. You've done a great thing for me and my sister. Maybe you're looking for something particular. Thank you so much for taking care of trinkets, odds and ends, that sort of thing. You and me, we're the only people around who aren't complete fools. We carry just about anything you could need. I know some of it looks like junk, but everything's a...
Those two at it again? Watch the odds.
What do you need?
I haven't seen you before,
Oh,
have I?
Silly. You want to talk to one of the companions, I'm sure.
But I still hear the
A stranger
call of the
comes to
blood.
our hall. Would you? Yes, perhaps. A certain stranger.
Never been more ready.
Master, you're not truly considering accepting him.
I am nobody's master, Vilkas. And last I checked, we had some empty beds in your master. Those with a fire burning in their hearts.
Apologies. Thought perhaps this isn't the time. I've never even heard of this outsider.
Sometimes the famous come to us. Sometimes men and women come to us to seek the faith. It makes them. What matters is their heart.
And their arm.
Of course. How? That's the spirit. Vilkas here will get started on. Vilkas, take him out to the yard and see what he can do.
I've never been more ready. I've got your back. I'll head back home if you need me.
The old man said to have a look at you. So, let's do this. Just have a few swings at me so I can see your form. Don't worry, I can take it. Not bad. You might... Here's my sword. Go take it up to Yorland to have it sharpened. And be careful. It's probably worth more than you are.
What brings you here? I'm guessing you're the newcomer. Oh, don't worry. Don't always just do what you're told. Not actually. My name is Yorlan Greymane. I have a favor to ask. I've been working. My wife is in mourning, and I need to get back. This isn't a command, just decency. Help out an old blacksmith. I've got to get back to my work.
If you wish... Ah, good. I've been waiting for this. Good to see you made it up here.
You know this one? I saw him training in the yard with Vilkas.
Ah, yes. I heard you gave him quite a thrashing.
Don't let Vilkas catch you saying that.
Do you think you could handle Vilkas in a real fight? Ah, here, let's have Farkas show you where you'll be resting your head.
Farkas. Did you call me?
Of course we did, Icebrain. Show this new blood where the rest of the whelps sleep.
New blood? Oh, I remember you. Come on, follow me.
Haven't seen your face before. I'm watching you.
Skjor and Ayala like to tease me, but they're good people. They challenge us to be our best. Nice to have a new face around. It gets boring here sometimes. I hope we keep you. This can be a rough life. The quarters are up here. Just pick a bed and fall in it when you're tired. Telma will keep the place clean. She always has. Alright, so here you are. Looks like the others are eager to meet you. Come to me or Ayala if you're looking for work. Once you've made a bit...
I've heard the Jarl of White... It seems that someone's got to head out there and take... Be cautious. Beasts are not nearly as predictable as men. Give the thing a quick
Come to me with questions. I know our history. What brings you to me? Find some...
I am waiting for a good death. If you are not here to grant me a good death, then you can leave. Yes, were I to simply lay down and die. Are you sure about this? We shall see. Is someone there?
That it? That your best? You're a fool to fight me.
Good enough.
I trust you're not planning any trouble. What can I do for you, friend? A new face? Honest gold for honest work. Doing some building, eh? That's fine. Doing some building, eh? Sure thing, friend. I'll even have it delivered to your building site. No charge.